Guys, something just happened in Russia about an hour 10 minutes ago. Just about an hour 10 minutes ago, a particular car just exploded. Yes, I said exploded. Now, who's the owner of that car? The car that was bombed belonged to Lieutenant General Fanil Sarvarov. He is the one who is in charge of the General Staff Operational Units of the Army Section. He is one of the most senior military personnel in Russia. So, he didn't survive that blast. He was taken to the hospital, but as a result of the injury from that explosion, he unalived in the hospital. Now, the Ukrainians have not claimed anything, but the Russian intelligence are having speculations that the Ukrainian intelligence could be involved in the bombing, but who knows? This Lieutenant General was just 56 years old, and according to information we are having, Russia have put it out that 3 of such incidents have happened in just the space of a year. Now, wow,